The thing is that AI has now found out a medicine for cancer. Sorry, I'll read the news out for you, which is DeepMind made a cancer drug using AI and it's going to be tested on human.
Everything.
I trust Gemini more than my best friend.
More than my boyfriend, I'm asking everything. If I need a company, I'm always chatting with the Gemini or Chat.
All these Google apps and for the phone, Google is actually introducing a new thing which is circle and search.
Okay, we need to just search. Okay, next is NVIDIA. Do you know about NVIDIA?
What is NVIDIA?
Okay, NVIDIA is basically a corporate company in America.
So that's it. Now a third news, which is something related to Elon Musk, and that is connected to NVIDIA as well.
Okay, so I think it's a gossip.
Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Tectonic powered by Cybrosis. This is your host Aishwarya and this is your co-host Aisha. So today we'll be talking about something different than the previous topics that we taught.
Of course.
So this is not Odoo 18, this is not Odoo 19, this is not new features, but what are we going to talk today?
Okay, we are going to talk about the latest tech news roundup.
Okay, so this is basically a tech news roundup which is trending globally.
Yeah.
So I have not collected all the newses, okay? I think we have collected only 4 or 5 news.
Yes, of course.
That is currently running in this world, okay? So let's begin.
Yeah, of course.
I'm not making you guys bored. So let's begin. The very first news is something related to
Google.
Yeah. So you know Google. I feel like Google is my best friend. Someone we know.
For me also that.
Someone we know because every day
I'm addicted to the Gemini and ChatGPT every day.
my God, Gemini is like my
I'm asking everything.
I trust Gemini more than my best friend.
More than my boyfriend, I'm asking everything. If I need a company, I'm always chatting with the Gemini or ChatGPT.
There in Instagram, if you just take a look, people are doing contents with these AIs like ChatGPT and Gemini because they are talking to it. They'll be saying something which is really not.
We're actually flirting with the ChatGPT and Gemini.
We are actually deviating.
Okay, fine.
We don't have to talk about all those things.
Okay.
Yes, coming back to Gemini. So Google has,
a new
introduced something for Android and Gemini. You know Google is actually producing phones and all.
Yeah.
Okay, as well as Gemini, and in all these Google apps and for the phone, Google is actually introducing a new thing which is circle and search.
Okay, we need to just circle something.
Yes, so if you are finding something on your screen, what you do is you will circle it and then you will put it for search.
Okay,
so if
then you will get all the things
similar to the Google search that we do.
Okay.
Rather than going on and typing, you can simply circle this. Now
I think I've already hear about this thing.
It is already there. It's
already
in all the Androids. But Google is actually taking it to, they're adding these tools to their phone as well as Google apps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
In Android phones and all, as assistant, we'll be asking, hey Google.
Okay, fine.
So there we used to,
instead of that thing, we can see.
Yeah, there we used to circle and search. But now Google is adding this to Google Apps as well. That's it.
Okay.
And you can literally draw a circle around something on the screen and Google will let you know whatever it is. Okay,
fine.
And not only that, Google is surprising us with one more thing. What is the name of that thing?
Okay, it's Gems.
Not
the Gems.
Now, I don't know whether it's because of the time now. It's known right now. Gems is bringing me thoughts about some other gems which we have in India. You know that gems, that color gems?
Yeah,
but that's not it. Sorry, Cadbury's, I'm not talking about you.
Okay,
so this Gems is something which is a new AI helper that is introduced in Gmail as well as Google Docs.
Okay, it's a little chatbot, right?
Okay, fine. So basically your new helping friend.
Okay.
So Google also have a lot of other things like Sheets and all. So similarly, here in Gmail and Docs, they are dogs. What did I say? Dogs. Sorry.
Not dog, it's dogs.
Dogs. Okay. So in Dogs, they have introduced this thing which is called Gems. And this will be helping you to rephrase your things. And if you, do any kind of typing mistakes and such things you
can draft an email, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I told you can use it in Gmail.
Okay.
Now, you might have heard about Grammarly.
Yeah, I know. I'm using that.
We all are
using that.
using Gmail a lot, and so I have set an extension for Grammarly.
Mhm.
Now, what happens is that when I write a paragraph or something, when there is a change where I can rephrase the sentence, I have to change a word, spelling mistake, and all, Grammarly used to show that to me.
Mm.
But right now, for in case where you are writing a text in Google Docs or even the Gmail, this Gems can actually help you. So it's your little AI friend. Like as name itself, I think it might be cute. I don't know. So like just imagine
Really cute, right?
Gems.
Yeah, Gemini, Gems.
Oh,
so cute.
okay.
Fine.
So imagine that you are typing something and you get a friend who is helping you to rephrase all these things. So that's basically what Gems is.
It's great.
So this actually makes your Google Apps and Google phones smarter.
Okay.
So Google is trying to make, everything smarter. Obviously, Google is very smart. Google is the smartest person I know.
Yeah.
Google knows
For me,
everything. I don't know anything, but Google knows everything. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the second
Next
one.
thing.
What is it about?
Okay, next is NVIDIA. Do
NVIDIA.
you know about NVIDIA?
What is NVIDIA?
Okay, NVIDIA is basically a corporate company in America.
Mm.
So they are basically selling some kind of chips which belongs to
Chips?
yeah, not the eating chips like potato chips or banana chips, not like that.
What
way.
chips then?
AI chips. It's helping to the artificial intelligence or robotics. Okay. So basically they are selling the chip to China.
Mm.
And suddenly, you know what? America said to them, like, don't sell it to China. Because
Why?
of why?
Why?
They are going to super rich soon.
And I think after saying this, they have become a little down financially. I don't
Of
know.
course.
But now that, whatever statement America said has been relaxed right now and they started to resell it.
Yeah, of course. So let me say the news is actually NVIDIA is selling AI chip to China again and they became super rich.
Oh my God.
Okay. Okay.
Then what happens? Continue.
Okay. Now we can say that how much amount they're gonna get. It's 4 trillion.
4 trillion? What?
Dollar. I'm sorry. It's $4 trillion. And
I'm not
they
getting
became
surprised
super rich.
because I've already read the news. So if you want, I can act.
Okay.
No problem. But $4 trillion?
Surprise. Just act like surprise.
So guess what? It has become the first ever company to hit $4 trillion as the value. Okay. Just because this,
I can't imagine that,
Yeah, just because they have the capability of selling it again, just because that statement has been relaxed right now, they have reached the value of this much. And that's insane. Like that's what people are saying, that in a short period, NVIDIA has become insanely rich. Obviously, because they are selling such things. And one more thing to add on to this is that people are actually throwing money at NVIDIA, not in a bad way, but they think that AI is going to be the future. Not even people, including me, are thinking that AI is going to be a forever thing and it is going to rule the future as it has started ruling now. At present. Okay. So they are actually going to rule the future and people are actually going blind and, throwing money, investing on AI, and that is making NVIDIA rich. Okay. So just imagine a chip which contains AI, okay, which can do a lot of things, which is a new thing.
Of course.
Okay.
For me,
so obviously,
it's a shock.
there is no doubt if they don't become insanely rich. Like, no wonder. That's it. Now, a third news, which is something related to Elon Musk, and that is connected to NVIDIA as well.
Okay. So I think it's a gossip.
That's business.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Let's see.
Okay, so what is it? That is, I'll read the news out for you.
Mhm.
The boss at Elon Musk's AI company quit. Okay, so Elon Musk has an AI company called XAI. One of the top guys, that is the person who basically keeps their computer system and servers running, suddenly quits after about a year. What happened to you? Why did you quit? If you're seeing the video, what happened? Please let me know. I am restless.
You're so concerned about that.
Yeah, of course, it's a news, but they are not telling the reason why he quit the company. I don't know.
It's a political reason.
Like it's
not
been
something like that.
It's been about a year that person is working on the company. And there is one more thing. I think, I don't know, like they haven't confirmed it yet. It has been come out as a gossip, which we like the most to gossip. Okay. So they say that this company, that is XAI, is getting closer to the NVIDIA.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So
NVIDIA
something is happening there. I don't know what is.
Something is happening between Nvidia and
Elon.
AI because they are getting close. Nvidia, don't doubt, it's exactly that chip company that I talked about just before this. So maybe they are planning something big, something political, or even a new strategy. So that is business,
I
right?
don't know what is
Because
happening.
Elon Musk, he's one among the richest person I know.
So he is getting more rich.
I don't know. This is how business work, right? They are collabing with someone who is really successful right now. Maybe a strategy is taking place, something is cooking. And if I get any further news about it, I'll share with you. Don't worry.
Okay.
So that's it. Now let's move on to the other one.
Yeah.
Now, before moving on to the news, I have something other things to share as well.
Of course.
Now, in the previous episode of Tectonic, we were talking about AI tool. You were not there.
Mhm.
So we were talking about AI tools. So in that, that section, I was talking about the importance of AI that we have in our life.
Okay, fine.
Okay, how important AI is for us. Because in everything we are trying to involve AI. Not AI, sorry, AI. Oh my God. Okay,
fine.
yeah, AI. So, like, if even when we two friends are talking and when there an argument comes about any one topic, to confirm what is right, we'll ask ChatGPT.
I used to do the same thing. No?
Ask ChatGPT, let's confirm it. So in such cases, like everywhere in the sense in our day-to-day life, even in food, medical field, everything, we'll be asking this to ChatGPT. Earlier, it was going to Google and search. Like if we have any kind of symptom, we'll ask Google. Google will say, you are going to die. Khatam. That's it.
So, all right, fine.
Yeah. So right now we are using AI. Now, this thing has become serious right now. The thing is that AI has now found out a medicine for cancer. Which is a serious thing, because I'll read the news out for you, which is DeepMind made a cancer drug using AI and it's going to be tested on human. By the way, DeepMind is...
On a real human?
Yes.
Are you saying the truth? Oh my God.
Because DeepMind is Google's famous AI team. Now, if we are the one who are going to search this on AI, suggest a medicine for me, I
Sure about
I won't be testing it. Like, I simply take suggestion.
because AI is not a doctor.
Yeah, I'm not sure about...
It's not qualified.
No, I'm not sure about buying a medicine just suggested by AI. No.
But now, it's going to be real.
The thing is that, like, once I heard this news, I was really shocked. They are going to test this medicine, that is this drug which has been introduced by AI, over a human being.
Oh my God, if it's going to, success, I can't imagine.
Obviously, like, I think there is a chance for it to get succeeded. Like, if it is a success, then what happens is that this is going to be a milestone for AI, that too in medical field. Okay?
Fine.
So, it has become a nightmare for all the doctors.
What is happening here?
Yeah. So, if this happens, it could totally change the medical field.
We know that.
And that's a good thing because we can use it over a lot of things which are still in confusion.
Of course.
So that can be used over there. Like AI can be used for, it's actually a very faster and cheaper way of, finding out a drug and all, discovering something. That's
okay.
It. So let's move on to the next one and the final one, which is, what is it?
Okay. Next is a comet.
Comet?
Yeah, of course. Not a comet. It's not that. You all know the Chrome, right? So Chrome is basically a browser. So, related to the Chrome, here we have a new browser which is called Comet. So it's introduced by Perplexity. It's an AI company. So basically the same thing that we can simply know about the Chrome also. Here you can simply ask it to explain stuff on the page and it can help you to summarize long articles and it even helps you to protect privacy.
Simply a browser where AI also plays a huge role. And the name of the browser, keep it in mind, which is Comet. And this has been introduced by the company called Perplexity. Okay, so that's it. Is that it? So we have already talked about 5 newses today, which is Google is making phones and dogs smarter. Then what? Nvidia paused, now selling chips to China. And got a guide left
on Elon Musk AI company. So the drama is here. Of course. And lastly, AI is literally helping make new cancer medicine.
That's it.
Yeah.
This is very interesting.
I think it's very interesting.
So that's it, guys. As I said before, I'm not 100% sure about all the news that I hear.
Yeah.
So if you guys have something to share with me, feel free to comment it down below. And if you do have any tea to spill with me, do that in the comment box.
Yeah, of course.
Obviously, we'll be going through it.
Yeah.
So that's it. We'll be back with another episode where we'll be talking about more tech newses. Okay, so please do wait for that, and let's wind up and see you in the next video. This is your host Aishwarya, and this is your co-host
Aisha.
signing off. Bye guys.